In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks and options on Robinhood. Let's get started by heading over to the Robinhood website and logging into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage interface. Right at the top or side of the page, you'll see your account balances and shortcuts to various sections. This is where you can keep track of your investments and activity. Next, look for the Robinhood Legend option in the menu. Clicking on this will bring up a new section that gives you a more focused view of your investment options, including stocks and options available for trading. Now, let's say you're interested in a particular stock or option. To see more about it, simply tap or click on that security and its detailed page will open up. Here, you'll find important information like the current price, charts that show how it's performed over time, key stats, and the latest news affecting that asset. Take your time to review this information so you can make an informed decision. When you're ready to make a trade, you'll find trading options right on the details page. Tap on the trade button and then choose either buy or sell, depending on what you'd like to do. If you want to purchase more shares or close out your position, these buttons will guide you through the process with intuitive prompts. If you're trading options rather than stocks, you'll have a slightly different experience. Select the Trade Options button and then choose whether you'd like to trade a call or a put option, based on your trading strategy or market view. Calls generally bet on the stock going up, while puts wager that it will go down. Make sure to double check the expiration dates, strike prices, and premiums before confirming any options trade. For those who have Robinhood Gold activated, you'll have access to additional benefits like margin buying power and extended hours trading. These features can provide more flexibility, letting you buy securities using borrowed funds or make trades outside of regular market hours. But remember, trading on margin and after hours comes with extra risks. Make sure you understand the terms and your personal risk tolerance before taking advantage of these features. Finally, it's important to keep an eye on your investments. You can do this by heading to the account section, found on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you can monitor your overall portfolio value, check on your open trades, and review recent activity. This section gives you a comprehensive view of how your investments are performing, so you can stay informed and make adjustments as needed. That wraps up our walkthrough on buying and selling stocks and options with Robinhood. With these steps in mind, you'll be able to trade with confidence and track your progress every step of the way. Thanks for watching and happy investing.